Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna try pizza with weird toppings.
What pizza, Kayla?
Yeah, here's the pizza.
Oh,
Now let's get started.
so delicious. Hey, what are the rules?
Oh, right. The rules: you have to eat everything in the pizza after you're done putting everything, and you must finish all of this. Then you can eat it
You mean we are going to take it one
and
and
open
we
it.
open it, and
And
after
then-
that,
We put it in the pizza.
wow! Oh my God!
Come on.
What's in it?
You don't know.
Oh my God!
Pick one.
Okay, I pick one.
Open. I got pickles.
Pickles.
How about you?
Okay. Apple. Oh. Eat pizza with apple.
Okay, let me get it. Cucumber and apple.
Which one is yours? Which one is mine? Which one is it?
Like this. There.
Oh, okay, okay.
Let's put this in.
Apple.
Oh my.
Oh my
goodness.
God! I'm putting apple.
I'm
in.
putting this too instead.
Two enough, yeah?
Yeah, two.
Okay. What else? What else?
Way. Next,
Okay.
I pick this one.
I pick this one.
I got
Grape.
lemon.
Oh, you got lemon. I got grape.
Lemon and grape. We got fruits.
How am I supposed to eat it?
How am I supposed to press it? I guess you just
Do you
do
need
this.
my help?
Oh my
yucky.
goodness.
Oh my God. More.
Okay.
More.
It exists.
Yeah, it's not gonna be there.
Ow.
Can you eat it?
I don't know. Are you done?
Done. Two enough.
Okay.
What
next.
else? What else?
My hand is wet.
You need tissue. Oh, I get tissue first. Wait. You pick one.
This is gonna be very fun, isn't it? Smells like lemon. My hand smells like lemon. Okay, come on. Okay, that's better. Put it
Okay,
down.
let's continue.
That's something good. What's this? Sour worm.
Sour worm.
I keep getting sour stuff.
I got, is it? Oreo. I thought I got onion ring. I got
You have
Oreo.
to crack it.
Huh.
Oh, yeah, I love this worm.
How we are supposed to eat pizza with Oreo?
Oh, it smells really good. Oh my goodness.
Ah.
Very scary, huh?
So I have to crush it? Oh
Mm.
my God.
That's good.
Yuck. Is it going to be good or not?
It's sour.
Oh. Is it enough?
Yeah.
Not yet, I think. One more.
Oh my
Just the other
goodness.
side.
Yours is sweet and mine is sour.
Yes, I know.
Okay, this one is also sour. Not only sour one, but this is also sour.
Ooh. Okay, continue. Next.
Now I got Cheetos. That's this one. I got Cheetos!
Oh, lucky you.
How are you?
Not yet. I want to clean my hand first.
Oh,
It's
nice.
a bit dirty.
Cheetos, come here. I never tried this Cheetos and it's very expensive. It's 94.
90 something, yeah.
No, 994.
It's from America, right?
Made product.
Show. Ah, it's Cheetos. I open it or you open it?
I don't know how to open it.
Let me open one. Okay.
This is gonna be very scary. I'm just scared of the sour worm than the lemon. Spicy?
So yummy.
Oh my god, it's so red!
So yummy. Don't give mommy.
Oh, it smells
so
good.
yummy. So yummy.
Okay, let's put it in.
So yummy.
Ew, oh
So
my
yummy.
goodness.
So yummy.
Get out of the camera, Mom!
Who talking my name? Who call me?
Get out of the camera!
You call me?
Wasabi. My God. I got wasabi,
Dude, this is spicy.
but I like it.
Oh, this is spicy.
I got wasabi. So, This one
spicy.
is seaweed wasabi,
Yeah.
and it is so hot.
This is so good.
You want to change it?
No. This is spicy. Look, my hand is red.
Oh, I know. So this is the
Crack it,
wasabi.
crack it.
No. Put it here. Destroy that.
You dare?
No.
Oh my, yours is spicy and
I know.
sour.
Spicy, sour,
No,
sweet.
yours is spicy and sweet. Mine is spicy and sour.
I have grape. Grape is sweet
I
or
want the
sour.
onion rings, not the extra hot.
Enough one?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the last one. The last
I
one.
want this one.
The last one. The last one. What do you got?
It's good. Got onion rings.
Oh, lucky you. I got sauce. Oh, it's not gonna be a very good day for me.
This is so good.
Oh,
How do you
no.
the chicken is so good. You guys should buy this. It's very expensive, but it's good.
But we cannot tell them where we buy it, right?
Yeah.
They have to find it by themselves.
Okay, that's spicy. Okay, let's check the onion rings. I hope it's not too big.
Right, right.
Oh my goodness, that's big.
So,
Smells good.
yummy.
You too. Try it.
Oh my god. Can I eat it?
Oh my god, so good.
Yuck.
You still have to put it in this side.
I think it's enough.
Ah.
Okay.
Whoa!
Did you drop it?
Okay, time for a test try. I'll just eat this.
Can we eat it?
Who wants to go first? You go first?
Okay.
I'm scared.
Let me try. Let me eat it.
Oh my goodness!
Let me eat my pop.
Bro!
Oh. Can I eat it?
Oh man, that's so
Let me try. One.
You didn't get anything ready. Try the
Wait.
apple with the pizza. Good?
I don't know. It's not good at all.
Okay, stop eating it.
It's very funny.
It's my turn.
Ah.
Okay.
So spicy.
Okay, it's my turn.
Your turn.
Okay, I don't know how to get this thing.
Do you need my help?
Yeah.
So spicy kala.
Okay, oh my goodness, that's so good. I don't know.
Oh, this is a small one.
Okay. Okay, I'm just scared of the lemon and the sour things.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
You drop it. You shouldn't drop it then, girl. Put it in.
It's too big. Here, let me
Hey,
hold
it
this
is.
thing.
You drop it.
Mmm.
Is it good?
This with the pizza is good.
Oh no, mine is scary. It's spicy.
Let me try the cheese sauce with the pizza.
Is it good? Is it?
It's crunchy.
Oh.
Mmm.
Is it spicy?
Mm-hmm. Can you give me some tissue? My mouth is messy. Now I'm gonna try yours and you try mine.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my goodness, it's so scary.
I try yours.
Careful, make sure nothing falls. Try this with the pizza is so good. I'm scared.
Yummy. Yummy. With the onion ring and the Cheetos.
Yours have a weird taste.
I did not taste the lemon.
Oh, it's sweet with the pizza. Ew.
Because of Oreo.
Pizza.
Gummy bear.
I'm starting to try the grape.
Yeah.
I'm
You won't
trying.
finish mine.
Yeah. I'm gonna try the grape.
Mm.
I'm gonna try the grape.
How do you feel?
I'm gonna try with the grape.
Okay.
It's so weird.
Yeah, of course it's weird.
It's sweet and spicy.
let me try with grape with the gummy bear. Yeah. This is the gummy bear here.
Mm. Are you good?
This is funny, you know. The gummy bear is very funny in the pizza.
This is very good.
But with the Cheetos, with the cucumber or pickles, it's delicious. It's delicious.
I didn't finish everything. It's just a pizza.
Okay, so is it enough? Shall we stop?
Mm-hmm.
So you tell your word.
Thanks for watching my video. Bye.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Bye bye.